This world is so beautiful. Here go my dogs. Yay, here's Ruby, the swimmer. Hi, baby. She drinks water. Hi, baby. You having fun? Good, shake farther away from me. Where's Coco? Go get Coco. Where's Coco at? Oh, I see where Coco's at. Coco the Explorer. There she is. She's funny. Are you stuck? You can do it. She did it. Well, I'm just going to enjoy a little peaceful time here. And it's a beautiful, beautiful day. So I hope that even if you're real busy today, that you take a little time just to enjoy this world that God's given us. All right, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. I want to pray blessings on you and yours, in your house, out of your house, in the day and the night. Whatever you do, keep dreaming.